You really only need 4 or 5 pairs of pants in your suitcase because you're wearing one, so and 5 shirts because you're wearing another, so that's for 6 days. You can hand wash. I put my flip-flops in the zippered pouch or in a bag so that the dirt from the bottom doesn't go in there. This time I'm packing an extra sweater because we're going in the winter. Normally I wouldn't in the spring or fall. Pajamas, you can use 1 or 2 pair, whatever you can fit in there. Underwear for 6, 7 days. 2 bras plus you have a bra that you're wearing. Socks, I usually put in about 6 or 7 pair. And then I'm bringing an extra scarf this time because it was a gift and it gives me a chance to wear it. When I carry a backpack, I bought mine at a sports shop like Dick's Sporting Goods, and make sure it has the strap to help carry it. It makes it so much easier. And I put my electronics in there. I have an iPad for work and personal use. I put my electronic cords in there. I bought this clear bag on Amazon. It was only $6. Came with 3 bags. It's perfect for showing TSA everything that needs to be seen. My medications, makeup, any kind of lotions. Most stuff I just go ahead and buy overseas, but whatever I have to bring with me, it's perfect. For an overseas trip, you have to carry a pillow for your neck because it's a long trip. Snacks, because you're going to get hungry, and water after you get through the security. And that's pretty much it. If I've left anything out, please let me know, but I believe that's everything that I pack for Europe.